First swarm of the season. Yeah, it looks like a good, I don't know, 4 or 5 pounder. It's a good size swarm. Not terribly big, but pretty good. So they're starting to settle down into the box here. So I just cut those branches and dropped them into the box. And the box had a little bit of lemongrass oil in it as an attractant. But once the queen's in there, they'll all follow the queen. And so you can even see how some of those bees have their butts, have their butts up in the air, and they're fanning their wings. What they're doing is they're sending out a pheromone, a scent, to attract the rest of the bees into the box, because they think they found a good home, and they have, because I'm going to take them and go put them in a hive. And the hive will be about like 2 miles from here. So there you have it. They're really quieting down now. So here's that same swarm, and I just put them in this box, and I put a frame of brood from one of these other hives. Actually, the one clear down on the end had quite a bit of brood, so I put a frame of brood in there to help get these guys started, these gals started, and also to discourage absconding, so that they'll be more likely to stay and take care of that brood.